Toyota. Please enjoy this video.
You are going to love 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, CD player, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here at Roswell Toyota, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards with each and every customer committed to excellence. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you and strive for customer satisfaction. Come by and see us at 2211 West 2nd Street, Roswell, New Mexico, 88201.